Let's build the Montessori wardrobe. Let's begin by taking all of our G pieces and assembling them into the left panel C. As you can see, I'm making sure that the curved edge of the shelves are facing towards the front of the wardrobe. Now I'm going to include panel E into C. Place middle panel B into assembly. Apply glue to the joints of the middle panel prior. Install top panel A into assembly. Apply glue to the joint at the top panel prior. Install right panel D into assembly. Apply glue to the joints of the right panel prior. Secure to base using a wood screw. Insert screws to top panel. Now carefully rotate the assembly. Install the wood screws into the pilot holes on the left panel. Rotate the assembly again. This time, we're going to start by installing 2 of the 4 safety strap brackets using the short screws in the bracket bag. Now we will install the back panel as shown. Apply glue to the joint prior. Install screws in each of the pilot holes. Secure the outer clothing rod cap with a wood screw. Then install into the wardrobe. Install the clothing rod cap on the other side of the middle panel, secure with a screw. Apply glue to the joints of the front of the base panel and install the kick plate. Although a mallet is recommended for securing the kick plate, if you do not have one, please feel free to use a hammer wrapped in a cloth so that you do not damage the wood. We do recommend 24 hours for the glue to dry on all joints. During this time, you should install the remaining safety straps in the location of your choosing.